20th of August 2021, the state has filed additional documents.
और कोई नहीं देखो
called the state to file the detail in respect of the earlier recruitment manner. So, Manoj, may kindly see page 18 of that affidavit, Manoj. Reputed position that understanding of the rules was changed in 2018. In contrast to what it was there in earlier recruitment years.
No, what was the
order is that
Your Lordship, I'm holding the brief.
Page 30, Malad of the additional affidavit, the order is there.
Page
30 of the 23 of the additional affidavit.
Annexure A2, the order by Your Lordship.
Very good.
Additional affidavit.
Okay, additional affidavit filed by the state of...
Filed on 9/9/2025.
Additional affidavit filed by you.
State of UP, Manoj. Respondent state of
Union of India, Your Lordship.
Union of India.
Date of affidavit is 9th September 2025.
Page 23, lecture A2 of that affidavit.
It was filed by whom?
Union of India.
No, Kushagra Pandey. No.
It was filed by Mr. S.N. Tardal, V1.
Your Lordship, according to your order of...
गांगुली को खड़ा करना
Don't find that application. It is only 4 or 5 applications, all filed by Mr. Kushagra Pandey, advocate for the applicant. What is the IA?
No, these are IAs for intervention. I'm being...
No intervention matters.
Yes, additional affidavit. Union of India. The counsel is Mr. S.N. Tardal.
Global 120331. Lordship.
SLP 6442. IA number.
वीडियो कॉल में आया खाना बल्ली
IA number of that. This is different.
Wait.
आइला टोबा
It's around 43 pages.
Additional affidavit on behalf of number 3.
However, kindly see page 23 of this affidavit.
अच्छा हो गए पटियाला नहीं है
Annexure A2.
It is running into 737 pages.
743 pages.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Which? Where?
Page 23 on it, annexure A2. This was the order passed by this court on 20th of August.
Yes.
It says, after extensively hearing the counsel of the parties, final pictures yet to emerge basically for the reason that affect the facts are not admitted and even clear to us, having regard to the issue involved, which would require clarity on the issue of facts, as also the process of such appointment recruitment held in the past, in the background of the present being the fourth of such exercise, we deem it appropriate to direct action party and KSG representing respondent 1 to 6 to place on record the entire factual aspect with regard to all earlier 3 exercises conducted for recruitment to the same post, along with supporting document starting from the advertisement itself. With regard to present exercise also, detail of how the matter proceeded after advertisement till the time of finalizing the provisional list and thereafter upon objection, what was the criteria for scrutiny and obviously the factors which finally weighed the scrutiny committee and based upon which the provisional merit list was cancelled by the government. We would go a step forward and call upon the council for the parties to assist us if ultimately the court comes to the conclusion that actions of the state needs interference with regard to the term in which the court may pass order to balance legitimate expectation of persons who had participated in the recruitment process which started in year 2018, especially taking into account those candidates who may have now crossed the upper age limit so as to make them ineligible for even applying for such posts under the local government for recruitment. The parties are free to address the court, but to be mindful that's also. So let us kindly see paragraph 8 of this affidavit, is page 18. There's an admitted position now. Paragraph 8, page 18.
So yes, at that point of time, we had indicated that we may probably grant them the benefit, one-time benefit of appearing despite crossing the age.
But I may just submit, my lord.
Yes.
Some of the petitioners before my lords have already appeared in 2013 with the very same rules which were there. they were selected. Some of the petitioners were selected. The provision just their name was shown them, but they could not secure posts.
The logic of I mean, this affidavit, we have complied and we have put in examples of the 2018.
No, your turn will come later. Your turn will be called upon you. No, later when your turn comes.
But in that selection, at that time, the requirement which was taken was the class 10th examination in the concerned medium. There are three mediums: English, Hindi, and Bengali. So the candidate was required to study class 10 from 8 to 10, 6 to 10. So it was the necessary condition was the requirement in class 10. Whereas in 2018, one of the times, page 18, paragraph 9, it says that during recruitment, 2018 recruitment, for the first time, the rule was literally interpreted for accepting the medium certificates which covers from class 1 to 10. And it was decided only to consider those candidates who have studied in education to secondary level from 1 to 10. So because of this understanding which was changed in 2018 and not known to the candidates, whereas the rules were exactly same in 2018 as it was in earlier examination in 2013, 15 and 16. The candidates who...
No, on the last occasion we had observed that this appears to be correct because you can't have a person talking, having one subject in Bengali at only in class 10 and the entire throughout he or she was not competent. Unless right from the beginning it is a matter of language. One subject in 1 year, that interpretation cannot be given. But it is only clarificatory, it is not supplanting. That we are very clear. That is why we had indicated that relaxation may be given, you're right. Because there was a bona fide grey area, not a grey area, there was a bona fide doubt in your mind that it could not have been changed and you were...
Most of the most of the petitions before my lord have studied from 1 to 10 because there was no uniform format on which the certificate was to be provided. So for some it was provided from 6 to 10.
No, if it
was provided from 8 to 10.
You're right, but it is a factual aspect. We permit you because the fact will be a fact.
May I just provide a short note?
We will not get that factual finding, we will not record a finding of fact on that basis.
In 2015,
just a minute.
Petitioners 11, 9 were there in the provisional list, but could not secure post because of the availability of the post.
So we may give it because you may not be under the impression, rightly so, that it is required.
24, my lord.
But then there is no explanation. Suppose there was no requirement, then why from 8 to 10, only 10 should have been given? If a person studies from 1 to 10 in the same school, why would he give it only 8? Either he would give only 10 because that was the requirement, or 1 to 10. Why would he choose 8 to 10?
Let me explain, Lordship.
Just a minute, when called upon, we are hearing somebody.
Yes. The committee was formed after the objections of all, which is at the report is at page 108 to 112 of the petition, my lord. But the committee stated that because there is no uniform format for providing these certificates, the medium certificate.
Yeah, right. That is what we are hoping. Don't waste the court's time. That we may give you a window that suppose actually it is correct that you studied from 1 to 10, then you may not suffer just because the certificate may not be properly worded. That we agree to that tentatively.
In 24, the rules have not been amended. And now, as per the rules now, it says that it is the requirement is that class 10 should have been studied. If they study from 1 to 9, it will not be considered, but 10 has to be studied. So 24, the rule has not been amended.
So this is by which?
This recruitment in 2018, my lord.
No, by 2018, but it is the central government.
Yes, my lord.
We'll strike down that immediately. Who's the central government? We'll strike down that. You can't play favorites. That made it very easy. People don't study till standard 9. You have few subjects at standard 10 and then you are eligible for everything. We'll strike it down right now. Without there being any challenge. Thoroughly discriminatory and favoritism.
Lordship, if I may just take you to Annexure 11 of the additional affidavit.
Yes.
We have corrected the recruitment rules, whereas the relevant portion is on page 720.
What is it? Read it.
The candidate should have passed Hindi or English, Bengali, Tamil or Telugu as applicable in the medium as one of the languages in class 10.
You are striking it down. You cannot do that. Person has to be well versed in. We are striking it down without any notice to the union. Absolutely arbitrary.
Your Lordship,
Does not serve the purpose. Yes.
Should I please pass
Their
over
No,
the...
no, nothing, not after hearing. No passing it over.
appointments also were on the same group, one of the only concern of the candidates here, Manoj, is that do they have to study from class 1 to 10?
Don't repeat. We have responded to that. Don't repeat.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, if allowed,
Yes.
I'm on behalf of main
We
petitioner.
can't allow people to enter into service
Yes.
only one standard for the language.
Lordship, all petitioner have a
People who have studied Tamil or Bengali right from standard 1. You will teach.
Lordship in Andaman,
One year subject and you will teach.
Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lordship, there is different streams people are living. Some they are from the army background, army school, other school. So 2 years maybe from different state, 2 years maybe different from different state. Such type of thing is there. And before 2018.
No, they are not eligible. They will not apply. They cannot apply. Not
No, but
Hello,
but taken of everybody, whoever it is.
Yes, Lordship. But in 2024 also, they have taken the 10th standard as a base, and before 18 also they have taken the 10th standard as base.
We are going to take it down so motu.
Lordship, kindly give us a proper time, Lordship, to submit our submission, Lordship.
Yes. Land Council for the parties. Full stop. The criteria for selection as a primary school teacher in different languages required the candidate to have studied the said subject, stroke, medium, from standard 1 till standard 10. Full stop. We are convinced that that was the proper criteria for a person who has to teach the said language, has to be well conversant in the language, which would only be if right from the very beginning he studied in that medium or the subject concerned. Full stop. However, we have been informed that in the year 2024,
23, Manoj. 11, 12,
23,
paragraph 10, page 18.
page
Page 80, paragraph 10.
18 of this.
Of this affidavit, Manoj.
Additional affidavit, page number 18, para 8 and 9, Lordship. They accepted.
Then it is mentioned regarding the amendment of the language.
Amended in the year, the recruitment rules were amended on 11/12/2023 for the post of primary school teacher, by which for the medium it is notified that the candidates should have passed Hindi, stroke English, stroke Bengali, stroke Telugu as one of the language as a subject in class 10 as applicable in the medium concerned. Full stop. We find such amendment to be totally disconnected with the object and in the tentative view, this is against public interest. As a person who studies a language only for 1 year cannot be allowed to take recruitment on a post where he has to teach the said language in a particular, such subject in a particular language. Such language. So thus we issue notice to the union government as also the petitioners as to why the court may not so moto strike down such amendment. Petitioner, they are going to strike it down so moto. What are you trying to play favorites? Anybody can tell only last year I get the subject of Tamil, Hindi, and persons, it is meant for persons who actually know the language right from the beginning. We're going to strike it down so moto. We are issuing a notice next Wednesday. Explain it.
UT Malad, not Union Malad. This will be UT administration.
To the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The matter will be listed during.
Maintain listed?
UT United States.
हाँ?
United States को बोल
After
दो.
4th April also. After
नेक्स्ट डेट देता है.
On 8th of April. At the
8th
top of
of
the list.
April.
They want to write down right there.
ये तो हम लोग का बात सुनता ही नहीं.
Assist us. Yes.
क्या होगा? ये तो सुनता ही नहीं.
Yes, 802.